Right, I've currently installed Alice on your desktop, but it should also be in File Explorer. So if we look at desktop, you should see Alice there at the top. Bloody fiddly things. And then you'll see the application. So Alice application, run that. It'll ask you to register, but we'll continue on the trial because you've got 30 days of that. And then you can just press start button and it'll start to scan. Tablet's not got a lot of power in it at the moment, so I'm just charging it up. So once Alice is ticking, it'll start to prompt down here in a bit. He says waiting patiently. You can change your view whilst I'm on it to like a typewriter output. So you see it says boot there. If it had come up boot before, I would have typed it on my typewriter. So basically, that's Alice. I have to close it down. There's an X at the top corner there. Right. So if we go back into your File Explorer, so that's that one there, File Explorer, Alice. So if we look at words, there's one called words, you can open that and you can add words to the word bank. Once you've edited it, you'll have to go, it'll probably ask you to save it before you close it. So obviously save it. You can add and remove words. Right, now at the bottom you've got these two for your Kinect. I'll attempt to run through it in a minute when it's powered up a little bit more, because I need to plug this connector into the tablet. Here comes one of my cats. Go on. So what we do is the icon, the Kinect icon with the 3 dots underneath, we'd press that. You'll probably have to rearrange some of the pop-up windows. Right, so that'll pop up. Basically that's your recorder. It will say disconnected there, and it will say please launch a Kinect enabled app. So what we want to do then is press the Kinect icon without the 3 dots underneath. I'll wait for another window to pop up. I need to be quite patient with this. Not popped up yet. Right, so you'll see this window. You've got to make sure you don't open too many of these, because you'll get a black screen when you end up connecting. So you'll see this one here called Kinect D2D Explorer. You want to press run. As soon as you press run, again, just wait patiently. You'll get used to a hang of a tablet. Not used this one before, so I don't know if to press it again yet or just leave it, because sometimes you have to double click. Let's just go again then. I'll just restore that window down. As you can see, it's quite tricky till you get the knack of it. No, it obviously didn't run, so I'll just run that again. It's telling me that a sensor is required, so I'll try and take it off charge. I'll plug this in and you'll see it starts to initialise. Power, right, I've not powered it up either, sorry about this. Let's try and do it before I'll use the power adapter, which obviously plugs in at front. I'll just try and give you a quick demo just how to get it up and running. So once it's powered up, you shall see, I'll just say it's initialising, probably want it to be powered up first. Just unplug that. Alright, it just come up then. So I'll have to go through that process again. We'll just have to run that. You'll see it starts to connect. And there we go, got a black screen. So that's what I was explaining about before. So you'll see a black screen if there are two apps running. So I'll just close Alice, keep calling it Alex. So you'll see how many windows I've got open. So if you swipe from the left, you'll actually see the black windows I can close down. And there's my live window that you've got the Kinect on. So you can swap these streams around. You can go colour stream. If you go colour stream, resolution, colour stream at the top. I've got to do it, I'm not very good with my left hand. Colour stream. I'll do it with this finger. Colour stream, resolution. You get these options now, you probably see those. If you want to flip to infrared, you'd go to infrared resolution, and then that'll put you into your night vision mode. So if you want to flip it back, again, colour stream, resolution, and then you'd go back to, you want to put it onto the 30 frames per second, and that'll pop it back into colour. So you can just flip around with the different settings. And obviously, if I was to turn it around, then I'd see me. I'll just explain a bit more about the gubbins underneath as well. So these little legs fold round, squeeze that button both sides, and then adjust it into your trigger grip. If you want to put it into a tripod mode again, put it round, pull the little feet round, and then you can sit it on the desk. So once it's on the desk, you can position it up or down. Try not to, you'll see it'll tip, it'll go off balance if you go too far. Also, what you got here is a little lock for your tablet. So if we unlock that, you'll see that'll allow you to take the tablet out. So if we spin the tablet around the front, let's try and pop that up there. I don't know what I've done there. I've like moved it off screen somehow. Let's pop that one back up. Yeah, I've put these into a different mode by the looks of it. I've tiled your windows somehow. Let's try that again. method on that, I do not know. Looks like it must be something to do with that. But there we go, extend it back again. So if I just position my tablet, you'll see me in depth stream mode. Just flick out the light. So if I walk back, whoops, tripping over the box, then you'll see me there in a stick-on format. Right, that'll get you started, Sam. So any more questions, just give me a shout. I'm sure there'll be plenty. No doubt you'll struggle to get things set up to start with, but like I say, any questions, ping them across, here to help. Cheers.